everyone. Welcome to vertibox.com. This video is about unboxing of Redmi 6 Pro from Xiaomi. This phone is black in color, 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Let's quickly open the box and see what are all the accessories given inside the box. There is a nice back cover given within the box, which is almost blackish transparent. That's the booklet, the card, power card and adapter. The camera looks pretty neat. Back camera is powered with 12 megapixel and that's a dual camera. Right side of the phone has a volume rocker as well as a power button. Bottom there is a charging port, micro USB, and of course there are holes for the speakers. Top you can see 3.5mm jack and microphone. Phone is powered with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor. I do not know much about this processor, so let's not much worry on which processor is being used. Screen looks pretty neat and very good finishing according to me. Let me power on the device quickly. Touch sensitivity looks very good. There is no delay in switching the screen. Let me see the settings page. It says device is Redmi, model number Redmi 6 Pro, and Android version 8.1, which is Oreo. I purchased this phone from Amazon.in. Price is about 13,000. This looks value for the money, and I would recommend anyone to go for this phone. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.